Have you ever been in a panic attack and then you were completely frozen कि आपको समझ में ही नहीं आया कि इसके आगे अभी क्या करना है? Or maybe in some situation you felt extremely overwhelmed and आपके पास कोई help नहीं था आपके आसपास. So आज मैं आपको 3 टेक्निक्स बताऊंगी जो ऐसी सिचुएशन में आप यूज कर सकते हो. Hi, I'm Dr. Aditi Hinge, consultant psychiatrist and welcome back to Naisha Mind Wellness YouTube channel. आज हम 3 टेक्निक सीखेंगे जो आपको ऐसे सिचुएशन में हेल्प कर सकते हैं जहां आपको बहुत एंग्शियस फील हो रहा है, बहुत ओवरवेल्म फील हो रहा है. यू आर गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग कॉल्ड एज द फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द सर्वाइवल मोड. आपकी बॉडी में सिंपैथेटिक ओवर एक्टिविटी हो जाती है. योर हार्ट बीट स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग, यू स्टार्ट ब्रीदिंग फास्टर, यू स्टार्ट मे बी हैविंग palpitation, sweating. In this situation, it's important that you try to calm down your nervous system. So these 3 techniques are going to help you regulate that nervous system. The first technique is tracing the hand. ये बहुत ही सिंपल टेक्निक है, आप ये कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो. You don't need any tools or equipments, you just need your hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to start from the bottom and you're going to start tracing the fingers. As you go up, you breathe in. So, and as you go down, you breathe out. Just try to breathe as slow as possible. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And you can go all over again till you feel a little calmer, till you feel your heart rate is going down, your breathing is slowing down, and you are more in control. So the second technique that can help you, it's called box breathing. So what you can do is you can imagine and visualize a box with your eyes closed, or you can take a piece of paper, cut it in square, or just draw squares on a piece of paper. You can select a number 4 or number 5, and you can start tracing the sides of the box. So as you breathe in, you count the number 4, then you hold it for 4 seconds, then you breathe out for 4 seconds, and again hold for 4 seconds. If you don't even have a paper, you can just simply use your palm. So as you can see, ये भी थोड़ा squarish है. So breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, breathe out for 4 seconds, and hold for 4 seconds. As and when you get comfortable, you can increase the number to 5 or to 6. You can do it till you feel calm, till you feel your nervous system is a bit regulated. The third technique, it's called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a little longer. In this, you're going to use your senses. They're going to help you ground yourself and be in the present moment. So what are your primary senses? Your eyes, your hearing, your smell, taste, and touch sensation. So how does it start? You can use the countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You start with 5 things you can see around you. Actually, notice these things. Be very curious about it. How do they look? What is their shape? What is their color? And try to engage with the present moment. Then move to 4 things you can touch. You can touch the things around you. You can feel the texture. It can be your clothes. It can be your hair. It can be things around you, items around you. Then move to 3 things you can hear. What are the sounds you can hear? Sounds of the environment, sounds of people, sounds of the traffic, just anything. Then moving on to 2 things that you can smell. Whatever you can smell in the environment, or if you would like, you can have some scent that you can carry with yourself and you can just smell that. And lastly comes 1 thing you can taste. It can be the natural taste in your mouth, or you can imagine your favorite food, or just have a small bite of something that feels comforting. By the end of the exercise, you will notice that you have calmed down a little and you are more in the present rather than in the overthinking thoughts of the future or the past. Initially, जब आप ये techniques करना चालू करोगे, it might feel कि it's not helping or it's very difficult to follow, and that's completely normal. You're not a pro at it. So be consistent, try to do it more regularly. Starting में मुश्किल लग सकता है, धीरे-धीरे it will get better. But even after trying these techniques, if you feel that it is still getting out of hand, then seek help from a mental health professional. That will definitely help you. Save this video for your future reference. Take care. So please like, share and subscribe करें हमारे channel को to stay updated with the new videos and learn something new about your mental health.